Welcome back to the channel. This is PointOfViewCars, and today I have some bad news. I recorded a video with the super cool Mercedes E400, but when I got home I checked the footage. The audio was nowhere to be found. So what I'm going to do is put a quick voiceover here in the start, then I'm going to put some background music here in the middle part of the video, and then at the end I will do my classic quick review of the car. This is a bit of a disappointment because I feel like this is top 3 coolest cars that I've recorded on this channel. But yeah, these are the circumstances this time. This has happened once before on another video, and I've recorded, let's say maybe 115 videos. So the odds of this happening are pretty slim. So bit of unfortunate that it happened with such a cool car. But nonetheless, if you want to watch the review part, it will be at the end of the video. So, thanks for watching. No, that doesn't happen yet. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. So we are once again approaching the end of the video, so let's talk about the car. It feels great to drive. It looks very luxurious on the inside and looks great on the outside. The seat might be the most comfortable seat that I've ever sat in. The only plastic thing that I found in the car was on the driver's doors, the car locking mechanism, the door locks. So that's the only plastic thing that I found that really bothered me. Otherwise, it's leather, it's wood trim, it has a full sunroof, and it has a great engine, 333 horsepower, so you definitely can get around the highway and then the city. And overall, it's just a superb, luxurious car that if you ever get the chance to drive it or buy it, you definitely should. You won't regret your purchase. And as you can see, it has ambient lighting, which goes great with the two digital displays. It really makes it feel luxurious and modern. But then if you combine it with the wood trim, you kind of get that old school feel. So you can kind of combine with everything. It's really up to your personal choice. But overall, the car feels and looks amazing. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later as always. Bye.